Top 10 Business Ideas to Get Rich. Do you dream of financial freedom? Want to start a business that can make you rich? Well, in today's video, we are revealing the top 10 business ideas that have the potential to turn you into a millionaire. From digital ventures to product-based businesses, these ideas are profitable, scalable, and future-proof. Make sure you watch till the end because the last idea might surprise you. Are you more interested in online businesses, or do you prefer selling physical products? Say yes and no. Top 10 Business Ideas to Get Rich. Number 1. E-commerce and dropshipping. The e-commerce industry is booming. Platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy allow you to start a store with zero inventory through dropshipping. Find trending products, set up an online store, and let suppliers handle shipping. With smart digital marketing, you can make thousands per month. Number 2. Digital marketing agency. Every business today needs digital marketing. If you have skills in SEO, social media marketing, and paid ads, you can start your own digital marketing agency. Help businesses grow their online presence and charge them thousands per month. No big investment is needed, just skills and strategy. Number 3. Print-on-demand business. Love designing? Start a print-on-demand (POD) business. Design custom t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases and sell them through platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify. The best part? No inventory or upfront costs. Your designs get printed when a customer places an order. Number 4. YouTube channel. YouTube is not just entertainment, it's a business. If you enjoy making videos, start a YouTube channel. Whether it's luxury reviews, tech unboxing, or educational content, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you earn by promoting other people's products. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Share the links on your blog, social media, or YouTube, and get commissions on every sale. Number 6. Mobile app development. Have an idea for an app? The app market is worth billions. You don't even need to be a developer. Hire freelancers from Upwork or Fiverr to build your app and launch it on Google Play and App Store for passive income. Number 7. Stock market and crypto investing. Investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies is another path to wealth. Platforms like Robinhood, Binance, and eToro allow beginners to start small. Smart investing can bring massive returns. Number 8. Real estate business. Real estate is a classic way to build wealth. You can start with rental properties, house flipping, or Airbnb investments. Many millionaires have built their wealth through real estate. Number 9. Social media influencer. If you love being on camera, consider becoming a social media influencer. Brands will pay you to promote their products on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Start by picking a niche and building your audience. Number 10. Online coaching and courses. Are you an expert in something? Sell online courses or offer coaching. Websites like Udemy, Teachable, and Kajabi allow you to teach anything from fitness to business. People pay hundreds of dollars to learn skills online. These 10 business ideas can help you build wealth. Which one do you like the most? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.